Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and this is going to be another one of our DMC challenges, and this month it's a tribute to the Queen. So I've pulled together a few pieces I've got tucked away. What I'm going to be doing is a Land Rover and a horse box. Now, I did already try to create a new door, if you like, for the horse box using the 3D printer some time ago. So that's a bit of a spare I've got going on. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to use the wheels off this original one to match up with the Land Rover. And then I'm going to dismantle this later version to try and get the door out. So we've got an original door in the old horse box. However, just to counteract that, I'm going to take the original roof rack or parcel rack off the original Land Rover and replace it with a 3D printed one. The reason being is I want to save that to see if I can create some moulded versions. So, Land Rover with new top, newer horse box dismantled, door taken out and put into original horse box. And after all that's been done, we'll give it a coat of paint. I haven't decided on the colour yet, but I think it's going to be kind of an olive green for the Land Rover. I think we'll go with this time, and possibly a dark blue for the horse box. I haven't decided yet. That could all change going forward. So let's get them dismantled first, and we'll take it from there. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox Land Rover and trailer. This is my tribute to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, who sadly passed away not so long ago. The event was suggested by the Taverners, who are all part of the DMC, or Diecast and Modellers community on Facebook. You can find us there. And it was a simple, just do a tribute to the Queen. It hadn't got to be anything that she's particularly driven, but something that she's probably recognised for. I know she had a love for Land Rovers and a great love for animals, mainly horses, as well as the corgis. So that's what I've gone with. We did an olive coloured Land Rover and a royal blue trailer, and added a few decals and a few highlights, and it's come out not too bad. So there you go. This is PJ signing off till next time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.